Hi, today your activity is with number patterns made from adding and subtracting numbers. So we can use our hundreds chart again to work out what is happening in the pattern, so finding the rule, and also to create a pattern when we are given a rule. So let's say I'm going to start with 19 and I have to add 2 every time. So I'm going to skip count by 2s, starting at 19, 19, 20, 21. I've added 2, and so on. So here I have created a skip counting pattern, starting at 19, adding 2 every time. I can also, if I had a pattern, I can work out what my rule is. So here I've started at 43 and then I've got 46, 49, 52, 55, 57, 60. So here I have to work out the rule. So I need to work out what I'm adding each time. I can count on 43, 44, 45, 46. I'm adding 3. Let's see if I'm adding 3 here. 46, 47, 48, 49. I'm adding 3 each time. So my rule, actually I've done that incorrectly. My rule each time is adding 3. Oh no, that's correct. Sorry, I'll put that back up. So your activity today is doing something like this. You have a number pattern and it's given you the rule, and you have to continue on the pattern using that rule. So here, this first one is skip counting by tens. Then it goes 25, 35, 45. So let's pop that on the hundreds chart. $25, $35, $45. So if I'm adding 10 every time, remember, like yesterday, my 1 stays the same and my 10 increases. That's going to be 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. So now I can write that into my pattern. So 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. All right, my next number pattern is a subtraction. So number patterns can be made from taking away a number each time as well. So here I've got 30, 27, 26. You can see the numbers are getting smaller because it's a subtraction. So my rule is taking away 3. Let's use the hundreds chart again. So 30, 27, 20. Wait, I did that completely wrong on my whiteboard. It's meant to be 24. Sorry, I don't know why I did that. 30, 27, 24. You can see I'm taking away 3 each time. So I'm going to take away 3 from 24. 24, I'm going to count back. 23, 22, 21. My next number is 21. Let's count back from 21. 21, 20, 19, 18. 18, 17, 16, 15. 15, 14, 13, 12. So now, oops, circled the wrong one. Now I can write that in on my whiteboard. Now that I've actually got the right numbers too. 30, 27, 24. Let's use my hundreds chart. 21, 18, 15, and it only asks for 3 numbers. Now my next pattern is a adding one. That's an addition pattern. It is asking me to add 2 each time, but this time it's only giving me the first number and then 2 blanks. But I can see here it is adding 2. So I might just use my knowledge of skip counting for this one. I know 14, so I know that it's 4. If I think of the skip counting by 2 patterns, 2, 4, 6, so my next number is going to be 16. 2, 4, 6, 8. So then I'm going to go 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So on your activity page, let me get it up for you, you will see that you have got a rule and then a series of numbers, and you've got to continue the pattern using what rule it says, adding 6, adding 2, taking away 5, taking away 10, taking away 3, and adding 10. Now your second part of your activity is you need to identify the rule and finish the pattern. So we've got to look at these numbers in each row and think what's happening between those numbers. So I've done a little example here as well. So I've got 31, 33, 35, 37. So let's pop that into my hundreds chart. So I've got 31, 33, 35, 37. All right, let's see what's happening. Well, I can see that there's one missing in between. If I count on 31, 32, 33, I'm adding 2. So my rule, I'll write that in on my board, is add 2. But now I need to continue the pattern as well. So I'd write that in. All right, my next pattern looks like this. I've got 80, 70, 60, 50. Now I know because my ones place value is staying the same, it's in the zeros, and my tens number is decreasing by 1 each time. I think I might know what it is, but let's use this as well. 80, 70, 60, 50. Now I know when I count downwards this way, that's adding 10 each time, but I'm counting backwards, so I must be taking away 10. So I can write my rule there as take away 10. And then on your sheet though, you are going to need to fill in the missing numbers to finish the pattern. So that's your activity today. Finding the rule and following the rule to continue number patterns.